Tensions heightened in Edo State as about 5 officials, including the Accountant General of Edo State, are being held at the Benin office of the Anti-Graft Agency, according to source disclosure. The letter of invitation of the officials of the Edo State government by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission in March. The sources revealed that the government officials were said to have been arrested on Thursday after they had been called in for briefing. Those invited for questioning by the Anti-Graft Agency Commission include the Accountant General of Edo State, Julius O. Anelu, Martina Osasu Wugeren, Adege Anthony, and Okomina Godwin. Confirming the arrest in a statement to NaijaNews on Saturday, Edo State Commissioner for Communication and Orientation, Chris Osa, said the Anti-Graft Agency detained the officials to cripple governance in the state. According to him, the Edo State government led by Governor Godwin Obaseki runs a transparent and accountable government. His statement reads, the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, in a letter dated October 28, 2024, invited 4 officials from the Edo State Treasury Office, including the Accountant General, Julius Anelu, to its Benin office. The letter of invitation, addressed to the Secretary to the State Government and titled, Loans and Agricultural Interventions Granted to Edo State Government from Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN, and Nigeria Incentive-Based Risk-Sharing System for Agricultural Lending from 2018 to date, pertains to an agricultural facility that has since been repaid by the state government. The government officers, including the state accountant on Thursday, honored the invitation as requested by the Benin office of the EFCC to provide necessary answers as required by the EFCC. Chris said, the EFCC seems intent on creeping governance in Edo State and acting out a script that portends grave danger to democracy. We will continue to monitor this story closely. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates.